Yes, hi. So today I want to show you, it's kind of tricky, it was tricky for me, so I wanted to show you and share with you how to install this cooler. It's called PCCOOLER K4 BK High Performance CPU. That's the one. And I'm going to show you how to install it on AM5. For me it was kind of confusing at the beginning, I didn't know how. So just wanted to share with you guys how to do it. So, you see, it looks too big, right? Until you find out how to do it. So actually it should come like this. You see, these screws should go here, not here. That's how it's confusing. So we're going to remove this with a screwdriver, and we're going to see how to do it. We're going to make it together. Start with this, I think. Yep. Take this one out. We'll take this one out. We'll take this one out. Take this one out. Yep. And we're going to take this one out. Okay. This. I'm going to take this and this. And we are going to take this one. It's, remember, AM4, AM5, the orange ones. So I'm going to put it like this. Take it out. It's kind of a quick video. So to show you guys how to do it. Because it can be sometimes upsetting. I don't know, I'm not sure if this is going up and down, but we're going to put it like this. Think like this. Yep, like this. And like this. Okay. And where did I put the bracket? I don't know where I put it, but it's here. So, the way we should do it is like this. Yep, that's the way it is. Confusing, but now we'll be able to install it. We should be, at least, theoretically. Yep. Yeah, this one is going in. And this one is in us. Yep. So, that was fairly easy, but kind of tricky, that's all. And after that, that's not a problem to install it. That's for the AM5. Probably it's different for the Intel. Yep. So, let's see if it's fit. Yep. It will fit. Yeah, exactly. We're going obviously to apply thermopaste soon. I will get back to you. I'll finish with it and I'll apply thermopaste together. I found this thingy. We're going to take it out, apply thermopaste, and it's going to fit like this. We're going to put it like this. It's perfect. It will take the air from here, throw it here, and we're going to apply thermopaste. By the way, it comes with a generous amount of thermopaste, so that's a good thing. You don't need to buy thermopaste, and I bought it from Amazon for really cheap, about 20 bucks. So, yep. And I like to spread it everywhere. So, yep, everywhere. I don't want to miss anything. That's about it. That's enough for today. Too much is not good. Yeah, I know. Many think that to add more is better. No, it's going to leak and it's going to mess up everything. We're going to open this. See, take it in, take it out, and we're going to come here in a sec and put it in. Screwdriver, and that's about it. Yeah, almost done. Yep. So I'm going to install it like this. First of all, let me make this stronger a bit. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Put this one stronger a bit. And a little bit here. A little bit here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in. Now, thermopaste spread already because we moved it right and left. You see? Yep. And that's about it. Yep. Yeah. It's in. Okay, very good. This one is not yet in. Need to push it a little bit more. Yeah, it requires a little bit of power. Yeah, that's it. It's in. I don't want to push it too much. I don't think it's a good idea. A little bit here. Yeah, that's it. And the fan. Take the fan out. Take these out. Fairly easy and very comfortable. Nice cooler. I like it. It will probably do the job. Yep. And to put the fan, let's see which one is the CPU fan here? I think it's this one, right? IO. Where's the CPU fan? Go figure it out. Okay, so we found the CPU fan. It's this one. This is the opt. Okay, not that it matter, but put this in. Wow, this is a nice cooler. I like this cooler. I'm gonna put one here. Fairly easy to install, you know. How efficient it is, we will know after we finish the installation. Okay, well, we're going to put it in like this, and we are going to install the motherboard. Oh, not really, didn't work well. Let's put it like this. That's about it. It's in. Is it? Oh, didn't go well, so let's take it out. Yeah, it has to be slid all the way in, you see. Yeah, now it's in. It's a bump. Very nice CPU, very nice CPU cooler. If you need to buy it, yeah, it looks good. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helped, you know, because it's kind of confusing. So I hope this clarify how to install this CPU. What's his name again? The name is K4 BK PC cooler. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.